Yeah, man, I don't know where up for Douglas family lifestyle already, man. I don't find coronation side there with them when I go and hold it is it.
It's all wet. Been wet. Wet coming to work, wet going home. The rainfall all day today. All day today. All day today. Welcome to the Douglas family lifestyle. It's in the night. 11 o'clock at night and I'm heading home. And it's pissing it down. Just like today. This is what England is. Always wet. As I said before, 50A bus running. What you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you cracking? What's the weather like in the neck of your woods? Well, I saw me, it's raining. At the workplace there. Yeah, man. I'll show them, you know, and people, you know, we're not going away from morning, you know. All day the rain fall. Like it's gonna fall all night too. But thing about it, it wasn't falling that hard, heavy. Just lightly drizzle right through. Yeah, man, no joke. A little wind too. I'm not going to work early in the morning. Going now my shift. So I can get a line. Do a 12-hour shift today. Do a 12-hour shift yesterday. Night movement. Sorry. Come on, my people, Douglas family lifestyle in the building. What you are doing? I didn't towards our first 1K. First 1K, my people, my first 1K. Yeah, man. Just tell a friend to tell a friend and let me do it. Please watch out the ads on the video, my people. Watch the ads on the video. And please watch the video till the end. Even if you're busy, just put it on play and make it run, man, while they're doing something else, you know. I need the watch hours to go up. So please and watch out the video to the end and watch all the advert, please, so my channel can get more promotion. And when you get promoted, it's just me. You're getting promoted with me, that you'll be there same time with me. Yeah, man. So we give thanks for the support. Our new subscriber, welcome to the Douglas family lifestyle. Night vlogging.